Here's the fireworks. Woo! This is the greatest show. This video probably has copyrighted music in it, but I'm putting it on my YouTube channel anyway. Where'd they all go?
Don't stop.
Hello? Come on.
Where's our...
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, there's one down there. Why is it so silent? Do you know where it is?
Mike Wazowski. Yeah, you're Mike Wazowski. You forgot the stuff.
Oh, this was a great show. It's been about 30 seconds of no fireworks. Doesn't get this quiet. It's never been this quiet. Technical difficulties. Hello? I don't understand. There's fireworks down there, but there's none where it should be. Right there.
Come on!
Not over there,
We
but
want
down
a
here.
firework! I'm brighter than the fireworks are setting off right now, and I'm just white!
So, Nick, how do you feel about this? Nick, how do you feel about this?
Where's our fireworks?
This is being stupidly slow. It's been a minute of nothing. It's starting. It's almost there. Some of the music in this video will have songs from The Greatest Showman. Yay! They're here. Yeah, wow! Not even sure if anybody can actually hear the music in this due to the fireworks. Ah! Rip headphone users. How's my video?
Brownie.
Yeah. Why are there so many brownie faces? I saw a couple. They're getting tiny.
There's little tiny ones that have music come out again, guys.
I'm almost out of battery. I only have 2 more battery left. Still a great show though. Wish I could get the rest. I have to end the video here. I was hoping to get the fireballs in here, but
I could totally imagine being
I guess not.
coming on the what is going on here?
Rip headphone users and bye.